Hey, hi. I am aware of my absence. However, I'm here now. I hope that you guys like this video. I want to say that I worked super hard on it, but I didn't. I know editing is gonna be a pain, but it's always a pain. So like, I just wanted to do something real super quick, like super regular, because like, I don't know. I feel like glam is like, it's fun, but I feel like it puts a lot of pressure on me, which is why I don't get on YouTube often, or which is why I don't upload often. But you know, the beauty world the beauty industry kind of has like this like stigma, and it's like, I don't know if I can handle that. So I just wanted to come at y'all with something like more real, something more natural, just something more me, and like, I think I did that today. But yeah, this is like super simple. This is what I do on the regular basis. Like, I don't do it every day, but like, you know, from time to time I will just put my makeup on if I want to run out the door, but I want to look cute. Like, you know, if I want to post photos of myself, like I will just throw some concealer, some foundation, you know, some bronzer, blush. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Insta, Snapchat. I'm there. You're there. I know you're there. So add me because we're friends. With that being said, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I started off with priming with my Milani Prime Perfection in Moisturizing, not the mattifying one. We gonna fix this later. I'm gonna pull my hair back, moisturize my lips, continue to prime, and then I will begin applying my foundation. Lately, I've been using the L'Oreal Pro Glow, which I really love as of late, and I really think it works for any skin type. And I really believe my camera was focusing while I was doing that. Yeah, so I'll just apply it with a foundation brush and blend it out with a beauty blender. This light may seem a little intrusive, y'all, but it's working for me at the moment. Also, I want to know what you guys think about a voiceover versus, you know, a get ready with me style video where we're like talking directly to the camera. I'm still kind of on the fence about that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm still on the fence of which one I like more. It seems easier to do a voiceover so I can like gather all my thoughts and then place it, you know, into one thing. Don't mind my singing faces. In my life, things were destined to change 'cause of love. So many people use your name in vain. And I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I don't think I'll ever stop using it. It's bomb, guys. It's bomb. And then I'll just continue to blend that out. I'll make a whole bunch of crazy faces to make sure that there's no creasing happening here. We just cannot have that on a warm summer day. But I'm using Airspun. I always use Airspun for everything. I'm going to use that to set my under eyes everywhere that I highlighted, as well as everywhere else on my face. Do you really bake? Absolutely. And then I'm just going to set the rest of my face with that same Airspun powder, and I'm just going to dust it over. And then I think I started to contour. Oh no, I continue to set with my Smashbox Photofilter powder foundation in the shade 7, I believe I am. In the summertime, I use the shade 7. When it's cool outside, I will use shade 6. That is shade 7. And then I'll use my MakeupShayla in Tarte Pro Palette to bronze the face up to give me any color that I may have lost with that setting powder. And then I will do the same thing to my nose because I know I lost a lot of color there as well. And then I do prefer the Ofra banana powder over the one that is in that MakeupShayla palette. For some reason, this one kind of seems like it has more of a yellow hue, which helps with my dark circles. It kind of helps to better conceal that. What's next? Blush. I think that this MakeupShayla palette has the, it has really good colors for women of color. Don't sleep on Wet n Wild. Also, Wet n Wild is a bop. Don't sleep. Look at that glow. It's like it's, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, guys. It's really good. This one is Crown of my Canopy. It was like $3.99 at the store. I kid you not. I bought all the shades because it's pretty. Look at it. Ooh, ooh, trying to do a little something. And then who would I be if I didn't add Champagne Pop over top of that? I will go ahead and curl my eyelashes. I do think that it makes a difference in making your eyelashes pop. I'm going to clean up a little bit underneath the bronze and contour. Immediately dust away that powder because I don't want anything. I don't want to look like a ghost. I don't want to be ashy. And then I'm just going to go on ahead with my eyebrows and apply powder. I use the lighter brown in the front, and then I will use the darker powder towards the end of my brows. I got a new eyebrow lady, and I'm really, really feeling her. As you can see, she did that. Brush that out, add some clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm going to use my Tarteist Pro Palette. I have a lot of Tarte stuff going on in here, but let me tell you, I love Tarte. And then I'm just going to use any like skin tone shade or any like orange hue to give me some dimension. And then sips tea. And then I'm just got a hold of this Eyeko mascara. I don't know which one it is. I just know it's fire. I got that in my Ipsy Glam bag. And I ordered 2 more of the big ones because I literally fell in love that day. Like, my real lashes ain't ever, they never have ever looked this good. Ever. Eyeko is onto something because I'm shook. Why is this perfect? Like, what the heck? This is great. I'm still gonna have some fake lashes, dog. Know that. And I'm just gonna use my Benefit WhatsApp highlighter to highlight the tip of my nose, inner tear ducts, brow bone, wherever. And guys, I feel like I sound tired. I'm not tired. I'm extremely energetic. I did go to a concert this weekend, Kendrick Lamar to be exact, and I feel like I'm losing my voice. I don't want to lose my voice, but I feel like that's where I'm headed. Um, this is Maybelline's Vivid Matte. That's not really matte. It's just a pink shade. I'll add some gloss over top eventually. And then I actually did not end up putting lashes on because I really liked the way that my natural lashes looked. Check my watch and act like I got somewhere to be. I don't. And then I didn't have any more clips of me in my makeup, so just enjoy these from the intro. And thank you guys so much for watching.